Mom, you look tired. Are you okay?
I am fine. I can finish this.
Mom! Wake up! Mom! Dad, come home now! Mom fell down!
I am coming home now. Do not worry. Mom will be okay.
She has a bad fever. She needs treatment. You need to pay the hospital fee.
Can I pay later? I do not have enough money.
Oh no! I must help Mom!
I will find a job today. Can I work here? I need money.
No. You are too young. This place is dangerous.
Can I work in your store?
Sorry. I cannot hire you.
Nobody wants me. How can I make money? Why is she collecting those bottles?
Here is $50.
She got $50 from trash. I know what I need to do. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Yeah, see you. Today, I will collect many bottles. I found one. Ah! This is a good start. This is not enough. I have to try. I found many bottles.
Look at Bill. He is picking up trash. Ha 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 ha! I see him. I want to record this video.
Wow! That is a big bottle.
I saw it first.
No! Mine!
Mine.
Mine! Let it go!
Arg!
Oh no! My bottles! I just want to help my mom.
Take it. You need it more than me. Why are you doing this?
My mom is in the hospital. I need money for her.
You are a good boy.
This video is so funny.
I can give you $5.
Only $5?
I worked so hard. I need much more money. Why are you so late? Dad is with Mom. You should come home early.
I know.
This is not enough. I cannot collect enough bottles after school. Should I miss school? Just one day. It will be okay. I need more bottles today.
This video is so funny. Good morning, class. Why is Bill absent today? Maybe he is collecting bottles again. What do you mean? Look at him. He loves collecting trash. Oh, no. Bill is not at school today.
Oh no.
His classmates saw him collecting bottles.
Maybe Bill misunderstood us. I will find him.
Call me when you find Bill.
Bill is not at school. We must find him.
Oh my God! Hurry up! Hurry up!
Bill, where are you?
Bill! Where are you?
Wow! So many bottles! Whose bag is this?
Maybe nobody is here.
I will earn a lot of money today.
Where is my bag? Oh no! I worked all day.
I can give you $20.
Only $20? I saw the grandma get $50.
Take it or leave it.
Okay.
Bill, are you okay? Why did you miss school? Why were you collecting bottles? Mom, I wanted to help you. I wanted to pay for your hospital bill. You are a good boy, but you should not miss school.
I had enough money.
But you said you had no money.
I did not bring enough money that day.
Are you okay now? Yes, I am fine now.
Let's go home.
Dad, Mom, wait for me. I will be right back. I am sorry. I took your bag. I wanted to help my mom. I was wrong.
It is okay. I forgive you. Only $20?
Yes.
That bag was worth $50. Come with me.
I did nothing wrong.
You are lying. You cheated this boy.
She is so scary.
Let's go home.
Did you enjoy our story today? Let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.